Hello everybody, do you want to see our cute dog Max be smothered by me? I'm joking, no, I would never hurt a dog. Trust me, I cross my heart to God. But do you want to see a cute dog today? Well, let me go get that munchkin. Here we go. I will face you towards... Wait, think. I'll go get him. What? I'm joking.
Much power of the horse underneath that hood. Whoa. He's the guy I'm supposed to see? So, I'm about to get a cherry very close. I'll see. Sounds good. Eating gumbo or something? Yes. This guy, right?
Here he is. Max! Go! No. It's Max. A lot of pets. Mega. He just got out of the garage because he ate some cat food, so. Max! We'll have to stop this video because he's eating more cat food, so. No, I'm not gonna hurt him. I really love dogs. Just gonna put him back in the garage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Jopuscus Fan 02. Peace out. Boop.